Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And speaking of beautiful, we're in beautiful San Luis Obispo, California, one of our favorite communities in the entire Golden State. If you've never been here, I highly advise you check it out. It's a quaint college town, home to Cal Poly, and about 50,000 other people live here in the city and around the kind of surrounding outskirts, if you will. But of course, the highlight of coming to San Luis Obispo is the downtown area, which is absolutely gorgeous, filled with shops and restaurants and things to do. You don't believe me? Well, we're going to take you on a walking tour. Yeah, you'll probably get bored about a minute into it, but I would highly recommend you if you've never been here, take this walking tour with us. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So if you did stick around, I hope you enjoyed our little walking tour of San Luis Obispo, California. In the meantime, keep watching, keep subscribing, give it the thumbs up. You can donate. Also check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam. And as always, make it a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. And now here's Pam with a special message.
Hi everyone, this is Pam, and guess who? Behind the camera.
That's right, Pam. I'm running the camera for you because you've got a special message.
I do. I would like for everyone to go to YouTube, if you've not already, and subscribe to our page, Traveling with Jack and Pam. We have so much fun going places and showing you these videos, and just would love for you to subscribe to us. So go do it right now.